Padlet.com. Okay, then you're going to log in, or actually you have to sign up. So sign up, it's free. And you can sign up with your with Google, with Microsoft, or you can create a new one. I've already created a Padlet, so I'm going to just log in. I'm going to log in with this one. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a new Padlet. So if it's the first time, this will probably automatically happen for you. But you go to Make a Padlet, and you choose the kind of wall that you want, or I guess the kind of Padlet that you want. So you could do wall, canvas, stream. I'm just going to select the basic wall. You can explore other ones if you want. And then this part over here on the right, so you have to create a title for your wall. So it's going to be about yourself, so you can title it by your name or all about me or whatever you want. All about me, Nancy B. Okay. Description, so you could describe something about yourself. I'm a teacher. I'm a new teacher at Steveston, London High School in Richmond. Okay, or you don't have to say so informational. I mean, you can say anything you want. And then you go down. So this part is important because we're going to be keeping this link so that others can view your Padlet, because we're going to be making this public just for our class, not like to the world. So you just copy to clipboard, and that's going to be, I guess that copies it up here. And then you can choose your wallpaper. You can pick pictures, like some generic pictures that are already there. Textures and patterns. You can add your own, so you could upload a photo if you like. I'm just going to pick a generic background, maybe, I don't know, here, let's pick the donuts. Okay, and so that's the wallpaper. And you can pick your font, whatever font you want, color scheme, if you want it darker, or it's hard to tell what the difference is there. I guess that's a darker screen. And now this part's important. Oh no, sorry, not this one. Comments, this part, comments. Allow visitor or viewers to comment on posts. So I want you to activate that, so because we are going to be commenting on each other's Padlets. Okay, and I believe that's it for now. Okay, so then you just go next, and you start posting. And then you're going to make, if you look at your rubric on the portfolio, you'll know that you have to create at least 4. And wait, here, so over here in the bottom right hand screen, you can add a post and you can move it around, I believe. Can you move it around? Oh. Okay, I guess you can't. It's weird. Thought that you could. Anyways, then you can add your title, like what's the topic that you're going to talk about yourself. So maybe you might say movies, and then you might talk about some of the movies that interest you. You can include a quote from the movie. You could also include like a trailer or a link, so you could get it from YouTube, from another link here. You can open a new tab and just copy and paste the link from YouTube. You can take a photo, upload some pictures. There's a whole bunch of things. You could even draw, so using your Google or using your iPad, you can draw on there as well. So feel free to explore this app. And that's it for now, I believe.